Hi there, here we have the 2016 on a 66 plate VW Polo. This is the 1.2 match TSI 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. So as you can see, it's got front parking sensors. No scuffs in the front bumper. The bonnet is nice and clean. There is no chips on the bonnet. I must say as well, with this car, it is very rare. The mileage is done. The car's only done just under 7,000, so extremely rare with the low mileage. Let's have a look at the alloys. The alloys are nice and clean. Just to confirm, this is a one owner from new with full main dealer service history. We have all the service history from VW where it was previously serviced, and Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle when it came in, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. Rear parking sensors. So as you saw there is no scuffs in the back bumper. The car is HPI clear, so when the car comes in, we definitely do a HPI before the car comes in actually, and obviously the car is clear, so it wasn't been in an accident, not been stolen, all clear. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, also included within the price. You do have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's as a peace of mind. So if you wanted more information about the warranty, please don't hesitate to ask, or once you come down here, then we will definitely give you more information about the warranty. Alright, let's have a look inside the vehicle as well. Right, so as you can see, inside on the dash there is no scratches, it is nice and clean. Let's have a look at the seats as well. Seats are nice and clean, there is no tears on the seats. Back seats nice and clean as well, no tears on the seats. Also at the back there is the ISOFIX for the children. The car is also pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. So as I said earlier, there is the rear parking sensors. So when you reverse in, you'll come up on the screen as well, which I will show you later on in the video. Right, very nice boot space. There is also the parcel shelf, which will give you a bit of privacy once you close the door, the boot. Sorry. There is the airbag, so nice and safe. Let's have a look at the driver's side door. So as you can see, nice and clean. Usually there would be scratches on the driver's side door. We've seen that it is very common on the cars. However, that's not the case for this car. Nice and clean. Let's jump inside the car as well. Right, so let's have a look at the radio. So if we click on the radio, it will take us to the DAB radio. You can also go onto media, where you can connect your phone by Bluetooth, aux or SD card, USB. There is a CD player as well inside the glove box, nice and hidden. So not a lot of people would know this, but there is the CD player which you can add the SD card as well. If we go onto the phone, you can connect your phone, so find telephone, which it will start searching for your device, where you can make phone calls, or if you get a call as you're driving, and you can answer it on the steering wheel instead of going on your phone. It's got the AC, DSG gearbox, so one of the nice strongest gearboxes there is out there, very nice and smooth. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the car and put the car in reverse, and you'll see on the screen what I was talking about earlier. There we go, so you are able to see the vehicle. It's like a 360 view, bird's eye view really, of the car. So as you can see there, 6,000 oil service and inspection now. Yep, so that will be definitely done by us. So as I say, Rushmore's will do a full service on the vehicle. Right, just to recap before we finish off the video, it is a one owner from new with full main dealer service history. As you saw there on the dash, it is due for service, so Rushmore's will be definitely doing the full service on the car, and the new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the Platinum RAC warranty as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that's also included within the price of the vehicle. As you saw there on the car as well, it's only done 6,000 on the clock, so very rare VW Polo 2016 with such low mileage. I don't think this one will stick around for long. If there is any questions or you need finance arranging, please don't hesitate to give us a call, as we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.